We automated because the technology changes so much in this industry that you need to continuously keep up with it or you're going to fall behind.
Hi.
Hello, and welcome to Doctor's Choice.
Can we have a quick tour of your business?
Sure. We make lenses for optometrists and opticians all over Ontario, and we're using the best technology, AI, and automation. This is my son, Kyle, and he's going to walk you through this adventure that we're on.
Can we do a quick tour?
Absolutely. Follow me. This is our new automated line. It's been installed for about a year now. We installed it so that we could increase our production.
What was your production before you had all of these machines?
We were only capable of doing about 100 jobs a day. We're now able to produce up to 300 jobs a day.
So you sort of tripled your production?
Yes.
And how did you say it changed the business?
It's changed the business because we can offer our customers a better lead time. So our jobs are a lot quicker going through the manufacturing process.
I'm guessing there were lots of challenges when implementing this project.
Yes, we implemented everything in stages. So we started with the manufacturing process. We had the automated equipment delivered here, and then we moved on and on.
So how did automation change your business employee-wise?
They basically changed the role. They used to input all of the lenses in manually. So now there's a lot of more maintenance with these new machines. It hasn't lessened anybody's role, but it's just changed it. So in here, this is the last step. So this is where we do all of our finished lenses. So this is where we actually cut your lenses to fit your frame. We put the lenses onto this conveyor, and it goes into the machine, and the arm to the Easy Buddy will pick up the lenses, put them into the machine, cut them, and then our employees will insert the lenses.
And what's the main reason you decided to automate and acquire all these new machines?
We automated because the technology changes so much in this industry that you need to continuously keep up with it or you're going to fall behind. Purchasing this equipment helps us keep in tune with the new technology coming out.
You hit the nail right on the head, Kyle. Automation is the way to go because it improves our quality, our delivery. So we use automation and we use technology to make ourselves better and compete in today's market. And I'm proud to be independent and Canadian. I'll tell you that right now. I have to get back to work.